Over here I've got some virtual machines. I'm going to just power a couple of these off. And delete them. Now let's go back to Cohesity and perform a recovery. I'm going to recover some VMs, and I'm just going to start typing and search for these VMs. There's the one, and there's the other. I'm going to add them to my cart and continue. And for each of these VMs, I can go and select which point in time I want to recover from. All these points in time are instantly mountable, regardless of whether they're an hour old or a year old. Doesn't matter. I can select recovery options like renaming the VMs if I want to, or recovering to a different location within my vCenter environment, attaching to a different network, etc. But what I want to put everything back the way it was, so I'll just leave everything alone. And we have to look fast. After I click finish, I'm going to jump right back here, and you'll see we immediately created a NAS data store and started recreating the virtual machines. At this point, the virtual machine is pointing at Cohesity as the storage, as the data store, and we're going to power them on in place, pointing at the Cohesity data store. So there's the first one's already back and powered on. The second one is being recreated right here. That'll power on in a second. So the applications will come back online very quickly, regardless of the size of the VM. And then the final step will be to storage vMotion and back to the production data store, after which we will remove our temporary Cohesity data store, and everything will be back the way it was. So as you can see, it's pretty easy for Cohesity to recover multiple VMs, even hundreds of VMs within just a couple of minutes. The storage vMotion will take longer depending on the size of these VMs, but in the meantime, while that's running, your users are back in business.